how to hide status viewed on WhatsApp, how to hide status seen in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you on how you can hide the status viewed on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically hide the status viewed, so if you viewed someone's status but then you don't want to let them know that you have viewed their status, you can turn this off by opening up WhatsApp, going to this updates tab here where you can see other people's status. But what we want to do is we want to tap the three dots option from the top right hand side here and then just tap on status privacy, from where what we can do is just set this to nobody, or you can select only share with and only select a certain amount of people, and they will not be able to know if you have viewed their status and so on. This way you will be able to go ahead and hide status viewed on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.